Hi YouTube, welcome to Wespicks. Today we're going to have a go at this Bacardi number 226, sent to me by Leon from Leon's Lockpad. As you can see, the bitting on the key, quite severe at the front. Looks a treat. Get them in the vise. I'm going to be using a Fat Bob's Paragon with one of my custom handles on top of the keyway. I'm not getting huge amounts of feedback. Just get into those back three without oversetting the front two. And there we go, we just dropped a load. Into a little false set. Feels like it's got some severely serrated. A bit more false set. Bit of counter rotation and dropping the lot. Back into my full set. I have picked it before, but this is the first time in a vise, which I'm not that good at using vices. I'll 90% of the time, unless it's levers, pick it in my hand. And we're in. Right, let's move over to the bench, see if we can give it a gut without fucking it all up. I haven't got any shins on me, but the Schlage doesn't seem to look like it's going to need a shim. Our titanium follower. Okay, so not much going on in there. Start in front. Standard. Standard, 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 standard. Oh, pin in pin with a lot of serrations. A bit of a master in there, master wafer. Pin in pin with the master. Sort these out. Spool. Let's get the other way. And a standard. Don't think anything's gone on in the Bible. Springs. Oh, another master there. Okay, some very fancy turn down T-pins and pin in pins. That one there, number 3, is a very slight pin in pin. And 3 masters. Okay, thank you very much.